Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these super cute adjustable baby headbands. So obviously if you've got anyone that sort of has fast growing, their children are growing up fast and their heads have gone from smaller to sort of a bigger size, this is sort of, it fits anywhere between toddler size, sort of young babies, sort of anywhere between 3 months all the way up to sort of toddlers. And this is just 50 centimeters of FOE, and then you'll need 4.5 centimeters of FOE for the wrap. And this is basically where you can clip in a bow, well, a clip or a bow of any style into that little bit. And like I said, you've got plenty of room to make it as small as you want or as big as you want. And like I said, you've still got the stretch on that as well. So like I said, it's really cute, really easy to do. There's lots and lots of options in your FOE. You've got the shiny, you've got glitter, you've got patterned. There's so many options. Obviously this is a cute little bow on this one, matches the yellow. Again, completely adjustable. This one's a bit bigger. I think I used 60 centimeters instead of 50. Sorry, no, I used 40 for these. This is 50. So 50 gives you a bit bigger. Sort of 40 centimeters would be sort of more baby to toddler. 40 centimeters, 50 centimeters would be more toddler to sort of 3 to 4 year old and above sort of thing. So like I said, it's nice, roomy. Got plenty of space to adjust it. That's all going to be hidden at the back. Because it's plastic, it's not going to hurt the child's head. And it's all really easy to do. So I will show you how to make one. Let's put these out of the way. As you see, 50 centimeters of fold over elastic or FOE, depending on what you refer it to. And you've also got 2 plastic, and these are 12 millimeter, so just over a centimeter kind of thing. I'll show you. About 1.5 centimeters these tend to be, which is about, you can get these between 12 to sort of 20. I would stick with 20. I'll put the link in the description below for the ones that I use, but they are plastic strap adjuster sliders or hook buckle clips, and you need 2 identical ones, this, and these are the perfect size for this fold over elastic, which is 1.5 centimeters, which is about standard for most FOEs. It's just standard. Now you can heat seal FOE same as you can with ribbon. And the first one you want to do is the shiny side is the outside. So you want to pop one of these clips on the end, and then you want a dab of your glue across there. Fold that in, and that is one side done. Now on your opposite end, again, heat seal. You want to take your buckle and you want to pop that through so that your shiny side is looped over. Okay, so you've now got this. Loop this end, that slid through over your shiny side. And then you take this one, you want to loop the shiny side down through there and give yourself room. Like I said, you want roughly 10 centimeters for where your adjuster is. And then you bring this piece, you can maybe clip a little bit further as well. So you bring this one, and the key thing about this is pull this out so you've got like a loop, so you've got somewhere to thread, and you want to make a circle. So you want to put this through, shiny side down into the opposite side. So you don't want it this side, you want it opposite side, into that loop there, push it down into that gap, and then you want to flip it back up and thread it through the other side. Okay, because the idea is this plain side will go against this and be hidden in the loop, but this bit, and what I'd do so I can show you before we glue, so you can test if you've done it right, pop your clip there and do this, and if you are able to adjust like this, up and down, like that, then you have done it right and you are safe to glue this into the band. And again, you just want the tiniest touch of glue and glue it completely flat to there. And you've got your loop, and that is now adjustable. And I sort of put it to the standard size that I would class as my adjustable, which is about, as I said, about 10 centimetres. And then work out the centre of there. This is the 4.5 centimetre piece, and we're going to put a dot of glue this side, there, and this is going to go on the back, so make sure it lines up with the edge. And then we don't put any glue this side because this is where we're going to be able to clip it in. Fold it over, turn it inside out, and you want to glue on the back here. And fold that in, and then there is your adjuster, and you can slide any clip sets in, any bow into there, and then like I said, that is completely adjustable, so it will technically last the child longer than a standard FOE headband with no adjuster on. So there you go, super cute. You can make little sets. These are very cost effective because FOE tends to be sort of 60p maximum, normally cheaper, normally like between 30 pence to sort of 65 maximum for like patterns and prints. So for these plainer ones or glittery ones, not very much money at all for about a metre or even 2 metres. And the hooks sliders are 6p for 2. So like I said, you can make like 10 of these for less than £1, and like I said, a couple of these on sets added as 50p extras or £1 extras, or doing a set of 3 to match, mix and match with your bows. Not very expensive, easy to make. Just make sure you glue in. So like I said, you've gone round there, and you've got the perfect adjustable headband, baby headband. Thanks for watching, bye!